Okay, YouTube, Sterling here, your local crypto beekeeper here with SoCal Bee Removal and Relocation, doing removals and beekeeping in Southern California SoCal style. And what I'm doing today is I'm adding some queens to splits I made a few days ago. And there's Murray's queens with Wildflower Meadow queens. And you can see here's the queen inside. You can see the red marker on the queens, so we know they're 2023 queens. We're just gonna put them in. This is the nuke. Put the queen right in there. And that's it. Like, share, subscribe.